So this is section 2.4, problem 29. These are functions, and we learned that wherever x was, that's where we would put our number. So for a, and that will give you 2. If you have trouble getting that to be 2, then you can ask me in class. F of 10 equals squared minus 1 divided by 10, which is 100 minus 1 is 99, so that would be 9.9. C. So notice that all I am doing is sticking each one of these in. And this becomes negative 999.999. And D, is f of 0 defined? Well, that means we need to plug 0 in. Zero minus 1 is still negative 1 over 10, which is negative 0.1. So yes, it is defined because we were able to get an answer for y. Back up. My bad. All the way down I have messed up. No, not all the way. That's why that was 10. This should have been 0.001. And this should have been 0. Which kind of changes changes this last answer. Can't divide by 0. Undefined. So the answer would be no, it is not defined. 33. These are called piecewise functions. Piecewise functions are functions kind of like your cell phone bill. Sometimes if you go from this amount to this amount, it's going to cost you $20. But if you go over that amount, it's going to cost you $25. If you go even more than that, maybe $30. So this says if x is less than 0, then k is going to equal 2. If x is between 0 and 1, or equal to 0 and 1, then we've got to put it in this formula or this problem, and we can then find out what k of x is, or y. If x is greater than or equal to 1, then we have to put it into this problem. So what we first do is go look at our x, negative 5. Negative 5 is less than 0. So automatically it equals 2. B. X equals 0. So we can't put it in that one because that one doesn't equal 0. That means it goes this one. So I have to use this formula. So we have to say 0 plus 4 So k of 0 equals 4. K of 1. That means x equals 1. So we're going to look at this one. Uh-oh. I had to have copied that down wrong. This does not have an equal sign. I copied that wrong. This one has an equal sign. So here's 1, so x equals 1, so I have to use this formula. So 1 minus x, which is 1. So when k is 1, so when x is 1, y, or k of 1 is 0. For this one, this is the negative number, so again it's going to go here. So for this negative number, it's going to be 2. We don't have a problem to put it into. Okay, let's look at 34. Again, it's a piecewise function. Work the same as up here. So let's look at negative 4. X is less than negative 4, so I have to use this formula. 0.5 times negative 4 plus 4, which is half of negative 4, which is negative 2, plus 4, which is 2. So g of negative 4 equals 2. 1. X is 1. So that falls into this one, so I have to use this formula. 4 minus x, which would be 4 minus 1, which is 3. So when x is 1, g of 1 is 3. 7. X is greater than 7, so that would fall here, which means that equals 0. 3.9, again, 3.9 would be here, because it's less than 4, so I have to use this formula, which is 4 minus x, which is 4 minus 3.9, which I believe is 0.10. Or 0.1. Either way. So I'm going to stop this video so that it is not too long, and I will start a new video on the next problems. Thank you.